Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable deletion sounds on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this. In sounds and vibration, scroll down again and go to more sounds and haptics section. Here in more sounds and haptics section, you can see here the deletion sounds. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the deletion sounds, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled deletion sounds on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.